Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable back tap. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter accessibility. Go to touch, scroll all the way down and enter back tap. Select double tap or triple tap and select function for this triple or double tap. Now you can simply tap double or triple on the Apple logo to activate this function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.